Good morning, Whimsy Rae fans. This is Rachel coming at you. I just wanted to say, if you're new to this channel, or if you're new to seeing me, which you probably are, that's okay, because I'm new to YouTube. I haven't been around on YouTube for too long, maybe a few months. But anyway, welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking, or whatever you do. I just wanted to mention to you a couple of things first off today, or this morning, before I take off. These are my four fine ladies up here. They're a limited edition. This is my signature. This is the art that really got me going to do more art, to share more, to be more of who I feel like I am as an artist. So I just wanted to mention that if there is a piece of work, artwork, a style that you really like, that really clicked within you, that really made it feel like you were singing in a microphone, so to speak, as if you were a singer, so that you could just share it to the world, then I would continue to encourage you to go for it and do that art, whatever that may be, because that might be what you're good at. You know, what you like to do may be what you're good at, and maybe something that you might be able to continue to do in some way, shape, or form. It might be that thing that helps keep you going. Also, the other thing I wanted to mention to you, that abstract art is my kind of my forte, part of my niche. And if you like abstract art, then please subscribe to my channel. I have more coming. I have a lot of ideas. Sometimes I can write them down, sometimes I can remember them. Other times I don't write them down, or I'm not in a position to do so. But I would encourage any artist or anybody out there, if you find something, if you're laying in the bed, sitting in the shower, wherever you're at, standing in the shower, I don't know what you do in the shower, but either way, write it down, try to save it. Write it down. It could be something that can inspire someone else. Maybe the words you use, the way you say it, how you say it, what you do, can be just that way to get people to really turn on their microphone and again continue to share it with others. And again, that's part of my legacy with this channel and with my art and with a lot of things that I do in my art, is to continue to help others to share their individuality through their art. The other thing I wanted to mention to you today about abstract art is that there's a lot of things that people who are just getting into art, some people have been dabbling in it for years. Long story short, I'm just going to get straight to the point with this, because I get tired of watching some videos that kind of beat around the bush. Basically, abstract art can be anything that you come up in your imagination with, and you put it on paper, right? And it doesn't look like anything recognizable to maybe someone else, but it may appear to be, in your mind, something that you recognize, or something that came from you, maybe not. But my point is abstract art is something that helps you express yourself, okay? Simple as that. It can be the colors that you use, that emotion. A lot of times people say certain colors represent certain warmth, cold, hot, cold, things like that. It doesn't even have to be in color. It could be black and white. Sometimes that can be the most expressive way of doing art. It doesn't have to be canvas. It can be, like I said, just a drawing on a drawing pad. And the basic thing I wanted to mention to you about abstract art is abstract thought equals abstract art. So in other words, think outside of yourself. Think outside of your box, so to speak, in your mind, to help you get creative. And one thing I do sometimes when I'm creating abstract art, and it works every time for me, almost every time, is I'll play music that I haven't heard before, but it's something that I like, something that clicks. It could be a different type of music that I don't normally listen to, and all of a sudden I listen to it, and it just, all of a sudden I'll start drawing something, and lines will appear, drawings will come from my mind, inspiring me to draw something. Another thing with abstract art is, don't be afraid of it. Don't feel intimidated if it doesn't always look like something you want it to look. Continue to dabble with it and try it. It's just a way, again, of getting you outside of yourself and outside of your situation, possibly even. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time with this. It can just take maybe 10 or 15 minutes, maybe as long as a song. But abstract art is a great way to start. When you're just doing art, it doesn't have to be something so descriptive or so difficult, even like how to draw a tree, like one of my videos. If you are interested in doing that, I do have a video on that, by the way, and it's in chalk or soft pastel, and it's how to draw a tree. It's real simple. I have a short version and a longer version as well. I will show you also this piece here. I'm not quite finished with it. To me, it's missing something. This is my tribute to Etta James, and I just wanted to share that with you this morning. It's missing something. I'm still working on it. I know it has a lot, going on with this one, but sometimes I'll stop for a minute and I'll kind of pause in the middle of a piece and I'll work on something else. And then I'll go back to it and I'll say, that's what's missing. Or I'll talk about my art in conversation with my family, friends, and that sometimes it'll click, that's what it's missing, or that's what it needs, things like that. So talk about your art, share it with others. Again, abstract thought equals abstract art. And if you don't think you can do abstract art, you do it every day. I'm just saying, you do, whether you realize it or not. It's been ingrained in you, because when we're taught in school, we're taught how to write, to read. Guess what? Numbers are abstract. Letters are abstract. So, when you're writing and reading and doing your everyday work, you're doing abstract thought, and you've been taught to do it. You've been trained to do it. So basically what I'm trying to teach you is to train yourself to do abstract art or abstract thought in a different way, shape, or form. So to keep the video short, that's basically my point, and the point of this video today. Don't be afraid to dabble in art, abstract art. Like I said, you don't have to have anything but a pencil and a piece of paper, and just listen to some music. Try that, see how it works, let me know. And if you're interested in getting more ideas about how to be an abstract artist like myself, go ahead and check me out, subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue to post as much as I possibly can, as often as I can within my limitations. And again, thanks for watching. These are my 4 fine ladies. They are on my website, whimsyraysartistry.com. Again, that's whimsyraysartistry.com. I am selling them. I also have a subscription to a website called Redbubble. Redbubble is where I post a lot of my artwork, where you can have it on a shirt, you can get it in the print, you can whatever. So check that out as well. Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, have a great day, and remember, use your art as your microphone. Bye.